Yeah, hi. Today we are going to see object creation of inherited classes. How we can create an object to inherited classes. So just go. I am going to the. I am opening. Today I am going to open edit place. So, so this is our last class where we were start our class, and I open the new Java program and how we can create an object. So what we can say that I'm taking the same previously we took the car object, so not here. So it is a test class because we have a main method in hook and like class. What we can say that car and the car object contains one method. First, I'm going to take the what we call constructor. So public car. This is the car class constructor. In that, I am printing like what we call what we can say that what is the superclass constructor and what is the hash code and what is the class name. I think you know the inherited classes means where is our edit place. This is our previous example. Just I am going to remove all those things. Just again I am writing one class called. Just I am going to take this class car. This is the class I'm taking, and one more class I'm taking is bike. These two class I'm taking. See, in the class extended inherited classes, and we are going to create an object. We are going to create an object of bike class like bike is equals to new bike. So if you create a bike object, by creating a bike object, we can able to access the car class like properties and methods. I think you know we already we discussed in our Eclipse. So just like here, we create what we create in a test class and we are calling the fun method. The fun method is available in parent class as well as parent one, parent two. But we are not going to create an object of the parent one, parent two. Just we create a test class object, but we are accessing all those things. So just like same like we are creating our what we call car class constructor. In that we will find which class is calling the super class, which class object is created. We will find it now. So in that I'm going to write super class constructor. Just just remove the hello world. I see this. This is the super class constructor. Again I'm copying this one. First writing the multiple times. Here I am printing the object class super class object hash code. I am printing the super class hash code. Super class object hash code I am printing here. So how we can print the hash code? Just see the hash code. We need to use the this dot hash code method. This dot hash code method. By using this method, we can print our hash code. And what we can say that we can get the class. So what I am doing here, which class going to call either the car class, either the or the bike class is called. Which class object is going to call. So now I am doing is this dot what we can call get class, again get method, get class and name, get name. This is the way we can call super class. What we can call this dot get class dot get name. So by using the get name, we can call the we can get the class name, which class is going to call. So now I am doing here one more class called bike. The bike class we are the bike class extend our car class. So in that what I am doing, and again I am writing like constructor public bike. Again I wrote the constructor of the bike class. So in that what we are doing, like just print the subclass constructor as well as now we are printing the subclass hash code. So subclass hash code, like we are printing the subclass hash code. Same way we can print this dot hash, same like this dot hash code, and we can get the class name like so. Here also I am going to use this dot get class, same method get class dot get name, like close our oh sorry, again we need to save. So just give me a few minutes of time, we will save our class. Just check the all we wrote correct or not. And what we are doing is just we are and we wrote the two classes and we open the just two because we have already two classes. In that I am going to create our bike class object. Bike is equals to new bike of. In that just we don't have any methods, we just create our constructor. Based on constructor, in constructor we wrote the some like output statement like SOP statement. For printing purpose we wrote the statement. uh, Now we are going to know the which class object is created and which class is going to call the which class. Like subclass, if we create a subclass object, the subclass will call the superclass, or the superclass also object is created internally or not. Now we will going to find it. Save our class test2 and save to. After saving our class, come to here java c test2 two dots java. One error we are finding by course. I wrote the mistakenly. Come to byte. Sorry, I wrote the spelling mistake. Now it's correct. Vehicle byte correct. Okay. Again save. Rerun our code. Now simply we did not get any error right now. Java test2 just execute. See, now we will find what is the issue, which class is created. Just check the superclass constructor, and in that we call the hash code method. This is the hash code, and what is the class name? We find the class name as a byte, and in subclass constructor, this is the subclass hash code, and this is the class name. I think the just you will understand the now what's which in this scenario only one class object is created. The same class object is going to call the super class. Just observe the hash code also 157.0580350. Same hash code we are getting. Just only one time the hash code is generated. rest of the two classes. The same and superclass object also contain the same hash code. The, now you will understand what happened between. So just check. When we call, just come here. When we call, just we created the byte class object. The byte class constructor first it calls. Once the byte class constructor is called, just check this if you have any superclass constructor or not. Without we did not use like super, we did not use the superclass constructor. Without using the superclass constructor, we are getting the information of the superclass. What is the hash code and what is the name of the class. So once the control comes to the byte class constructor, then it called the super class because we extend the car class. So once the byte class is extended, any other class, we check if the class is extending or not. The class is extending, then it called to the super class constructor. Once the superclass call constructor is called, just is printing the details. Have you seen the I like in our output also? We first it print the superclass details only. It will not print the subclass. So have you observed? We call the subclass constructor. Constructor means this one only. What is the this is the constructor. If you provide any value, this is called the parameters constructor, but we are not providing any value. It is the default constructor. Default constructor we overridden here. We already provided the dynamic default constructor. Once the default constructor is called, it goes to the superclass constructor and print the whatever the data is available in the superclass constructor come to the subclass. Just check. So we find the output superclass. Now what we will do, just here I am going to write one SOP statement like now remove, copy. What I am doing here, just I am removing all those things, just providing the one way offline. Just again I am going to run our code. See, now you will understand. See, this is the superclass. But this is what I'm saying. This is the superclass constructor as well as this is the subclass constructor. But if you find the same class, this is the how inheritance it will work in Java. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video.